Rico Japanese Technology Rechargeable Wireless Electric Chopper. This mini USB chopper comes with a powerful 30-watt motor, very sharp 304 stainless steel blades, and will provide excellent performance. You can quickly process most of the ingredients in 10 to 30 seconds. And has a long-lasting 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery. The food chopper electric can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours. Just put the ingredients in the mini food processor, place the lid, and press the on button for a few seconds to mince the food. That's it. No complicated procedures. Peanuts, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and more.